This week on Cafe New Guinea, Jennifer Byng-Waco takes you on a culinary adventure through her homeland of Markham Valley in Morobe Province.
I'll be showcasing my own food culture from the Markham Valley of the Morobe Province.
Jennifer shows us various clay pot cooking styles and we experience a Thanksgiving food ceremony for her elders.
I've got my spoon here made from banana leaf and my fork made from coconut fronds.
Jennifer also visits the mountain community of Sukram village to showcase the art of bilum weaving and traditional bamboo cooking with Sibwa, bushmats.
Different varieties of taro, and with a traditional bamboo pick, they remove the skin of yellow marita palm. The broken marita kernels are then placed inside hollow bamboo pipes. Sun-dried bush herbs and crushed nuts are packed into the bamboo.
Cafe New Guinea premieres Sunday night at 6:30.
It's delicious.